Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today we're going to bring in an item to upgrade our phone because it's a naked phone, and we have the iPhone 11X Pro casing. We're going to start with the case first, and this is the case if you guys can see it right now. I'm going to open it up, and it's called the Ultimate Experience. So this is, I caught my eye on Amazon because it had a couple of things I liked about it. So first of all, this is all you get. You get the cover itself, but this is supposed to be magnetic to those little magnets that you could put in on your actual car adapters, and then it becomes a little handheld for the fingers, you know. So it's not that bad. This is all silicone. It's all plastic mold. Nothing fancy. You could stand it up, of course, too. Stand it up sideways. You could watch little something on the side. It's not bad. I mean, it's something that it's simple. If you guys are looking for inexpensive stuff, this actually moves, so which is good. This is cover here. You don't see it, nothing move, but you could actually move this. I'm not sure about removing it. Autofocus. I don't know what that means, but it's just pretty much. Has all the inputs that you need for an iPhone Max Pro. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side. Nice little fitting. We're gonna put this on the side, and then we're gonna go ahead and get the iPhone X cover. So this is actually the glass, tempered glass, that we need to cover it, and that's something we're gonna do here. So let's go ahead and start. So easy fit, Glas.tR 2-pack. So there's 2 pieces of it. Which is great because if you break the first one or you mess up the first one, you can always come back and set it up again. So let's go ahead and open it up. First of all, they give you all the set already that you need. You actually have to set your phone up in here, instructions how to do it. In fact, they give you something to actually make sure it's hardened in there. This is nice. I like this. This is a plus. And then of course, they give you some more information, how to take it off, what to do, how to clean it, and where to set your phone. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now and see how well it works, and see what else do we need. Of course, the main part of it, if I could get it out. Oh, actually, there's 2 of them. So this is pretty much how you get it. You just pretty much put your phone in there, and that's it. And so let's go ahead and start with one first. So it says, press 1, press 3, okay, 2 and 3, so then 4. So there's a couple of steps you have to follow, so let's go ahead and do that. So first of all, let's read the instructions. Step number 1, you got to clean your phone. That's something we're going to do right now. We're going to wipe it nice and clean, and they give you extra accessories here, which I almost forgot about it. This is important because people are always asking for those cleaning towels and stuff like that. Well, they include 2 of them, so you're in luck. In case you break one or you mess up on one, you have the other one. So not bad, not bad. And then let's go ahead and take this off. And of course, they give you a little tape thing. So, I don't know if you guys seen it, but they give you this little tape thing that this is it right here to remove dust particles. And this is, you're gonna need like just to remove them, just stickers. And then 2 of these. We're gonna need one of these. But first of all, let's go ahead and start with the phone itself and what you got to do on the phone. Right, so let's go ahead and start with the phone first. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and clean the phone. We'll put this down here, right here, so you guys can see. It's a little dirty inside, so we'll put it down here, and we'll put the phone in here. We're gonna try to clean as much as we can from the front. So let's go ahead and remove all the dust particles. First of all, we're gonna start with the step 1. Get the wipey, and this is an alcohol wipey. It's an alcohol, so it evaporates real quick. So you got to make sure you run it, clean it, and you can even clean your glasses with it, to be honest with you, but I wouldn't recommend that. You know, get that going, clean it. Try not to touch it too much because we're gonna need to remove all the dust particles. And if you can see it, be gentle with it. Let it dry. Try not to breathe on it too much because you might put some particles as it is right next to it. And if you have a dusty environment, don't recommend you doing that. So once you do that, make sure you get all the tape by removing the tape dust here. So do this. We got all that. Now, once we do that, we go ahead and get this case. All right, we get the case and we remove the back end first. There it goes. You move it, you put it in there. We got the case in there. You guys, you see the phone, it's in there, so it's facing already. And then we remove the step number 1 and number 2. If you guys see it, down, up. So it says press on it, slide it, and then press on it. Then we go ahead and remove it. I think I messed up on this, but we'll find out. Take out that part. Then we take the last part, which is already in here. But before we do that, we make sure we squeeze it out before. You do it now or after. Get all the bubbles out. I think we're done pretty much. So we just remove the last part of it. And that's it. That's all we got. We got pretty much everything in here. It's all set up. I don't see any bubbles or anything like that. I don't even want to use this no more. So we're pretty much set. And then all we got to do is get this in here. Squeeze it in there. And tamper glass is in there. Oh, there's a little smudgy. That's it. Perfect. So then you get your phone. You're all set. Camera set up in there. And we're pretty much set to go. Buttons all work. So we're much set up. And of course they give you this other little cleanup in case you get too many fingerprints in there. So far I don't see any fingerprints or anything like that. Very simple, easy fit. They give you two of these plastic. I mean, it's huge, but to be honest with you, it's worth it. I mean, it's simple to put in there. I'm gonna keep them, including with this. Put it all together in one package. Get the stickers ready in case we ever have to use them again, and then put it back in the pack. I'm just gonna close it, seal it together in here. Not bad. I like it, and it's like a puzzle piece, so they fit in perfectly in the box back in there. I'm gonna reseal it again in here. Save the second one for later or for in case it breaks down. So not bad, little combination. So if you guys like what you guys see, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the like, and I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.